Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to do the rear seat delete in my 2014 Jeep JK. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the seats. With the proper impact, taking the rear seats out should take about 20 minutes, half hour. So we're going to start on the bigger seat, and we're going to remove the two posts from the front. And those are the ones that are going to allow you to flip the seat up, just as I'm showing you right here. And when you flip the seat up, you can get to the two bolts on that bracket. I'm trying to get the impact on it right now, but I realize I'm going to need a deep impact to get her going. And then I'm spinning that out. You can see it in this video, but I come back to it later. You have to remove the one for the seat belts too on the floor. So then I remove the nut for the top hanger there. Then I'm on the opposite side in the jumper seat, removing the one bolt for the leg. And I'm going to remove the other bolt for the leg on the jumper seat. Same thing. I can flip the jumper seat up now. There's two more bolts. And there's a joiner for the jumper seat I have to take off. It's 13 mil. All the rest of the bolts are 18 mil. So swivel, spinning the 18 mil bolt out. And that's 13 mil. Now what connects the jumper seat to the main frame harness. And then fold the seat forward. Got to remove that nut. And then that passenger seat should come out. So spin that nut off. Everything's disconnected. And with a little bit of wiggling, once everything's free, it's kind of like awkward in the way. But once you wiggle her out, then you can just pick her up and then get her out of the way. Having an impact is vital. Trying to remove those bolts by hand would be a pain. So then on the main seat bracket, there's one more 18 mil at the back. And the seat can't come out yet because remember I mentioned before the seat belts that are bolted in the middle, those have to be disconnected because they're connected to the seats. Once everything like that is out of the way, then we can pull the seats out. And there you have it with the rear seats out. I can go ahead and start with the rear seat delete. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.